Hey you guys, I'm coming to you guys with a new empty apartment tour. I've relocated to the beautiful South Florida, so I'm just showing you my new place. I am starting off with my foyer area. It does have a full-size washer dryer. I am a weirdo. I love to wash my clothes. I don't care too much about like the folding process, but I love knowing that I have fresh new workout apparel to put on. I know I have a problem. I can't do the whole pile up of clothes thing. I have to wash my clothes often. So this is pretty much an overview of the entire space minus the bedroom. You can see the foyer from here, the kitchen. I don't know what these kitchens are called, but basically it's like just one flat version of it. There's nothing else. It's just whatever you see on this wall. So I do have to get like a counter height table that I can use for multi-functioning purposes, and I will put that like floated behind the couch. But yes, everything is marble backsplash, matte black finishes, beautiful deep, I believe you call these like a farmhouse deep sink or something like that. Really nice finishes. I'm so happy. The lights are all LED and efficient, so I'll be saving money while I'll still be living in a very beautiful and stylish place. Those drawers actually slide out, so that's really dope, and that actually pushes and then pops out. I had to have maintenance come. I was like, why is my microwave working? So I figured out that it was off on the breaker. So yeah, he showed me around and showed me a couple tricks of the place. So yes, you push and then it pops out. Just your standard under the sink. Very little to no cabinet space, but I'm okay with that because it's just me, and I literally am just loving my new space. The oven is like a nice cute oven, nice glass top, what do you call it, stove. Perfect for meal prepping. My fridge is actually a full-size fridge that you'll see in like a regular standard home, and it even has a little thing on the side where you can get filtered water. They gave me a bottle of Chardonnay, which I thought that was so nice for my housewarming gift. Yeah, so nice deep freezer, and then from here you could see that I have a really dope like balcony, which I'm definitely gonna get some pieces to put out there soon. But yes, this is my barnyard doors that slide, and that's my bedroom. I believe this unit is roughly 800 plus square feet, not much more than 800. But it's the perfect size for me. Built-in shelves, and then we have closets that weren't very big. They're not very big, but honestly, I'm super happy and grateful. I learned to downsize when it comes to like clothing and all that stuff. And then they have like these lockers I believe you can use for like extra storage. So I'll probably be utilizing that if I have stuff that just doesn't work in my space. But yes, so that's the bedroom. Now I'm going to take you into the bathroom. You can see the beautiful vanity light there. It's so bright and nice, so when you're doing your makeup, you're making sure that you're blending, okay? So that is the nice deep tub and shower. I am so stoked about the tub. There's a light over it. Oh my God, I love soft lights inside of a bathroom because I don't always want to use that super bright light when I'm waking up to get ready for work or whatever the case may be. Once again, the matte black finishes. Yeah, everything's matte black, which is so nice. Kind of gives me very modern, very contemporary vibes. I love it though. I can't wait to make this into my place. I'm really excited. And the countertops actually, I believe, quartz as well. Hi, there I am. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yes, I am filming this on my phone. I don't normally do that, but like I was getting the couch, so it wasn't going to be empty anymore. So I wanted to just hurry up and film this for you guys before my couch came in. And I'll get into why the couch came before anything else, but yeah. So yes, the next clip, I'm just gonna go ahead and talk about like a little life update with you guys, and yeah, stay tuned. Life update. I'm coming to you guys super happy, super blessed for my new place in Florida, okay? I forgot my camera, but I was like, I don't even care. Do you see the aesthetics though? Marble background. I already have a piece of furniture here to start. Actually, for some odd reason, when I went to go to order my furniture, my bed won't be here for a little bit. So I'm actually staying in my previous furnished place until this place at least has a bed. I'm definitely gonna work on getting like a TV and everything because I'm gonna get my internet set up. Today's Tuesday, so I'll get my internet set up on Thursday. I think I might go to IKEA and go ahead and grab like something to put like my TV on. Thinking I might just start off with just one TV for now. I put it on a wall mount. I just wanted to like just briefly update you guys on just life. I want to just kind of do like a little bit of a motivational talk. There's a lot of things that have changed in my life within the past 6 months. I am, you know, there's a lot of like growing pains, of course. Everything happens for a reason. And sometimes literally you have to go through something in order to become better, to realize that you may have problems yourself. And it's just really, really important for you to reflect on something that this may not be working. I have had this affinity to get back to Florida for a minute. You know, I was living in Pennsylvania actually, I don't know if you guys know this, but I was living in Pennsylvania from 2015 to last summer. I started traveling in September of 2020. So I'm still traveling. I'm just doing more local traveling at this point. I can make a video on how that works, but my ultimate goal is to just be able to provide amazing content for you guys, fitness related, lifestyle. You know, I technically fasted today, not on purpose, but I fasted today because I had to like be here for my couch delivery, and I got out of bed really late for my old place. And it's only like 10 minutes apart. They're like super close. I love the area so much, I decided to stay here. And I can't wait for people to come visit. I can't wait to do a complete apartment furnished tour. I'm going to decorate this place myself. I'm just so blessed, so grateful. And I wanna thank you guys so much for, if you're new to my channel, because I've actually accrued a lot of new subscribers, and I want to thank you guys so much. I'm going to keep the Amazon videos coming because Amazon's probably going to furnish this place. Between IKEA, Target, and Amazon, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get a lot of stuff from there. So I'll definitely keep those videos coming. And you guys love my fitness related video when I talked about stuff that you could use, train at home and stay fit. And I have tons of stuff that I have to talk to you guys about in relation to that. So I'll definitely keep those videos coming. But I'm just so happy. I'm very happy for where I'm at in my life right now. I turned 31 in a matter of 2 weeks. And I am so happy that I've reached to this point in my life. I'm happy for everybody that helped me get to this point in my life. I don't regret anyone. You know, everything happens for a reason, but I definitely had to move very quickly within the past few months, and that's okay. I am grateful. You guys are sending all this beautiful feedback on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. It's leleGLAMXO. And I have some stuff to come this year, okay? So stay tuned. It's gonna be fitness related, you know. Gotta keep that body snatched, keep that body looking right. I'm not using any soft boxes. I'm not using anything but natural light. I've never done this before when it comes to like filming like a sit down video. I just love this place. It's so aesthetic. Mind you, I'm rambling, yo. I hope you guys just know that I'm just so happy with my move, my decision to come back to Florida and actually live in the city area that I've actually never thought I could do, you know? I always wanted to live in a city. I always wanted to do like a city like vibe. This is a little bit different, but I am still getting the same concept. Plus I get to be in beautiful South Florida. Yeah. Pennsylvania, I'm gonna just give you a little rundown. Today's February 2nd. It is 12:51 p.m. and it is snowing back where I used to live in Pennsylvania. Like snowing, okay? Inches upon inches of snow. And I'm here where it's sunny, it's beautiful. It was 55 degrees this morning, okay? That's a beautiful spring day up north. And now it's, I think it's definitely approaching either the high 60s to 70s, so it's beautiful. But I want to thank the Lord in heaven for this time in my life. I want to thank him because I couldn't be here without him. I want to thank you guys so very much for sticking around. Like, hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. I got the videos coming, okay? I have some skincare stuff coming too because I gotta get the skin right, okay? The skin gotta get right. I did a whole clear skin routine pre-COVID, and then and COVID hit, the mask, my skin's so sensitive. So right now I'm just dealing with spots, so I have a video pending that very soon. Plus obviously what you put in your body, lovely green smoothies. I had literally no game plan for this. I just wanted to sit down and just brief you guys on everything. You should just see what I'm looking at, yo. It's just so beautiful. Road to 10K. We are literally almost at 10K, yo. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers. I never thought that'd be a thing. This year, I'm trying to shoot for like 100K. I'm not playing this time. I'm literally gonna keep the content coming. I'm gonna keep everything flowing, and I'm gonna keep pumping it out. Even if I gotta hire somebody to edit a video or two, I'm gonna keep the videos coming because I'm not playing. This year, 2021, no games are being played, okay? And I just know the life I want for myself, and it's to continue to live abundantly. That's it. Live abundantly. Share with you guys, help you guys in any way, shape, or form. So to be fit, healthy, and that's my passion statement, I guess. If there's anything that you truly want and desire, and you have a shadow of a doubt in your mind that it cannot be done, all you have to do is put a plan behind it with some prayer and some faith, and you put action behind whatever you want to do, whether it's losing weight, oh my God, you guys are just coming through with those comments on follow me on Instagram. That's just it. You just put action behind it, faith behind it. That's it. I want to thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for more videos. Yeah.